Greetings everybody, we're back again. The Mzansi Football, we're back, we're analyzing the football game with your presenter of the day, Losdowski. Young Vane analyst yamla. Bukomen, skip on Pram.
Next me bro, skip on again.
Mina ngimnandi. Pram ithinga khulu khruti Pram ngara hope man videographer hlezi khona lo mthetho.
Siphethe mfowethu.
Pram phela yabona ne weather ibalance kuyabanda. Mara sihlezi sikhona yazi la.
Sure.
Push ispan. Yeah.
Abantu bayifunayo.
Sure. Yeah, Pram, betwe Premiership si wrap up.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns. They celebrate.
Yeah.
Sunday. Tati League.
Sure.
Orlando Pirates are number 2, Pram. Oh. Foot again. You understand?
Ish.
Number 3, Stelis Neskukune. They are fighting to go to Confederation. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Pram.
Sure.
This season have been long, Pram. Who's your goalkeeper of the season?
Goalkeeper of the season, my bro. This season, I'll give you into two options, my bro.
Okay, man. Number 1, Ronan Williams, ne?
Yeah.
Number 2, Sipo Shane.
Sure.
Number 3 is Chipezes.
Sure.
Remember Chipezes una clean sheet amaning, ne?
You understand?
Okay.
Sure, yeah, bengifunduza
And then ungakhohlwa Williams ube nama red card, ube nama injury,
throughout the season.
akadlala ngama
Sure,
game
he
on.
didn't play
So
most.
Onyango like Sundowns like this year they were busy changing vela ama goalkeeper. Ngeno Onyango athola ama red card February lapho nalapho.
Yeah. Sure, my bro. For me, goalkeeper of the season, my bro. Cheapest as my bro. I would like to give him, my bro.
Sure.
Small team in Makesi. Not everyone, like some of us, we didn't expect him to to go having I think 12 clean sheet or 11. I'm not sure.
Sure.
Mara that's too much, my bro. It's very rare to get a goalkeeper from a small team to have those clean sheets. You understand? So I'm giving him. Uro no with Ronza and the cheaper side are regulars squatting. So we're expecting them to do that thing.
Yeah.
Sure. So
but
we
now we're
expect
focusing
them.
on the league. Yeah. So if injalo Pramne Maunigu Chipezeze, you can't say maybe their team they should be competing or something, or we're just giving him because individual is doing good.
Now, bro, I'm giving him individually.
Oh,
I understand
sure.
because he has been doing good from even from calling Blake Liverpool.
Sure.
He was named the goalkeeper of the tournament from that game. Yeah, winning 4 consecutive men of the match from that tournament. They're calling Blake Liverpool. So you can see good. Yeah.
And nakono say match itangisho from good banga relegation.
Sure. Yeah, I understand. It's in my case, yeah. Makesi didn't have a good season here and then but they did play good. Sure. Mara the goalkeeper, man, he played good, from a small team. Runs and cheap, China, we expected that thing from them.
Okay, so Pram, defender of the season, Snow Swisi, and then backline is Sundowns na nginenkinga nayo. Mndau was out, came back. Left back Muriba was out in, then center back also is the same thing. Kekana was out in, Ungenukoza, Libusa was out in. So
that's a mix,
is what a mix, and then Stelis Batuban Muluisane, Torre, those are abandoned but consistent. So Ngainiga ban Pram.
My bro, I know that position of it defender of the season. It was every team was in balance.
Sure.
Understand? Because they're experiencing injuries. Most of the teams, like Sundowns,
Pirates,
Umundu was
and since he came back, usibonisile ukuthi ama injury lawa yakwa-affectanga iPirates.
Sure, my bro. And Usbisi is one of the contenders for this year's because he played too much.
Sure.
And what I like that confidence gained after offense criticizing after the injury kanda plus Sesan. You understand? So that moment where grasp as a confidence that time offense criticizer, then he was consistent squatting. You understand? Sure, me bro. So this year I didn't see anyone too much because of the injuries. Mara Usbisi for me is the current leading position for me. I understand? Yeah.
Okay, asegu midfield of the season. Tebo Mukwena Marcelo Allende. Then Pirates was Makaula Nombatha cause Tito on and off Begapuma Buya, then I perform Lauma game, then I puma ngama injured. This season Tito Begang Cochrane, midfield of the season.
How my bro? Yeah, well, let me tell you season. Sundowns get cheat code of it. Cheat code to Sundowns. My bro, like you kind of on the same team, my bro. You cheat code. Like both of them, my bro, are too good. Even last season, I thought Marcelo Allende was capable of taking
because and
Melubeg
Asolwalende doesn't go to injury.
And my bro, the whole season
consistency.
You understand? So that's why I'm saying
also Tebomkweni is always there.
Yeah, I understand. That's why I'm saying Gucci Sundowns get cheat code when it comes to midfield because you just say Gucci Marcelo Allende is there consistent the whole season. Tebo Khomokwena is there consistent the whole season.
So we need one.
So this season, my bro, man, I say wish PSL, my bro, just give Marcelo Allende, man. The
yeah,
guy deserves
like
it, man.
Yeah.
So ever since he got to his Sundowns, he's been consistent giving us his Sundowns is protected to his midfielder. He's short, man. The brain is too long.
It's too long.
I understand that.
Yeah.
Sure, man. This season, guy Marcelo Allende man play
midfield. Bram, siya phambili manje.
Yeah.
Sinika bani phambili. Forward sibheka i-Golden Boot. Winner.
Yeah.
Lucas Ribeiro
currently
leading and then Reyners no sales and then Nomfukeng phambili lapha. Sinika bani?
Play like forward of the season. For me, my bro, forward of the season, my bro, is between those two guys. One on 16 goals. Sure. Yeah. Not even in terms of his stats. Like they've been consistent. Just imagine Reyners Sundowns just bought him now. Maraluk, he's producing the results.
So when we nigga.
My forward of the season, man, I can just give to Reyners because he's a clinical strike. Forward of the season.
Sure. Okay, and then let's go to players of the season.
Players of the season, my bro.
Mufukeng Ribeiro.
Between them, only.
I can't say only. How my player maning. Because obviously because they are the players who are always consistent. Sure. And number one and number two, they were competing well, both of them.
My bro,
this is in Italy.
Man, my title cup, my bro.
Players.
Sure.
Players. Plus, yes, President Damatuki.
Yeah, you understand, man.
Sure.
It's very like South Africa. I think it's the first time. I don't know.
For
like to have a young player that's very consistent like this. Mufukeng stats even though I'm not saying stats only, Mara even the way adlalanga corner like it's not usual to a player like it is age. Delivery because Paris I can say most of the games the boy is always
showing up.
It's
only few games.
You understand? Most of the games. Yeah. So the players play of the season. Mufukeng for me.
Player of the season.
Give one me bro. Lucas Costa Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Sure.
One way.
Lucas Costa Ribeiro. The guy man is a cheat code, my bro.
Yeah. Mari has proved himself, Bram. It's not a Brazilian mistake. That
you understand? Yeah, I'm fit to Sundowns. Well done, man. Getting that player. We didn't know first time we saw him go Sundowns. The guy like took the league by storm.
Okay, so Bram.
Sure.
Coach of the season. Cardoso or Ribeiro?
Coach of the season, Cardoso or Ribeiro.
And then Steve Barker or Rick Tinkler, because one will go to number 3. So
sure.
Obviously, I'm a nominee as a Buya Lab.
Sure, my bro. Yeah, Cardoso did a wonderful job with Sundowns ever since I figured Ribeiro has been consistent with Pirates for the past 3 seasons. Pirates finishing 2-3 times in a row, second place. You understand? Sure. Steve Barker, you understand? Steve Barker every season he's losing players, but still consistent.
Go top 4.
Sure. So Tingler, I wouldn't say too much. Yeah, but he's also a great coach.
A good coach. Yeah.
Sure. So for me, the contenders is 3. Give me Cardoso. You know my bro, Steve Barker, coach of the season. Steve Barker.
Why?
My bro, the work of Steve Barker, I think Stellenbosch is very underrated.
Sure, but
many people don't.
He's always losing players
every season.
Always make sure they are back to the.
Look, no, they are losing. Urenas was one of their key players. You understand? Jaden Adams was one of their key players. They lost him, but they found a replacement. Look where Stellenbosch is, number 3. You understand?
Yeah.
So they work rate and also the technical team of him, like it's
and
very
his job
good.
Is very underrated.
Sure. Yeah. So. Yeah, I'm giving him shit.
Bram, Bram boga cool. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Mzansi Football. Danko.